If you want to find out tricks to making that honeymoon phase of a relationship last forever, stick around. I'm Dr. Stephanie Bathurst, and for the past 13 years, I've helped clients looking to level up their happiness in life and intimacy in relationships to have better sex and improve all 8 forms of intimacy in their partnerships, all using my flow formula process. I believe the world doesn't have to be this dark, lonely, and passionless place. There's enough heaviness out there that we have to manage. You deserve to feel love, excitement, and lust on a daily basis. You're on a journey to get genuine connection and fulfilling intimacy, not just breadcrumbs, but the whole shebang. And unless you know the process, it's near impossible to achieve on a sustainable level. If you're feeling lost, neglected, or lonely, then pay attention. The Flow Formula is a 90-day, evidence-based hybrid relationship coaching program that I developed only from using the best techniques that were most effective with the clients that I have worked with over the past 13 years of my clinical practice as a therapist. It teaches you how to think differently and how to do differently. And because of those changes, you begin to feel differently. It's so effective because the 4 steps in this formula heal the individual and then heal the relationship, and afterwards heals the entire system so that there's no stone that goes unturned that could lead to a regression back to old ways once the program ends. This is a full transformation of yourself and of your partnership. Stop the mechanical love exchanges. They are just exchanges of pure habit, so there's no energy circulating back into the system. They're simply a waste of time for you and a waste of time for your partner. It's a facade of love exchange, essentially. If you're going to express affection in any kind of form, do so intentionally. When you have a positive intention behind any action, and you eliminate multitasking so that the majority of your mental and emotional energy in the moment is directionally given to that specific action, say looking at your partner in the eye and telling them that they look beautiful today. That exchange will have profoundly more energy behind it. For the giver, you, as well as for the receiver, your partner in that moment, which means there's more energy between the two of you that can then be molded and reformed into something beautiful and more fulfilling in the future, and so on and so on. Do you see how the positive energy expression builds on itself and the mechanical exchanges and romantic partnerships feeds nothing but nothingness? So if that's a little too abstract of a concept right now, because a lot of our brains run off of concrete expressions. Many of us are really concrete thinkers. Give your energy a name, an image, a color, a way of moving. Concretize it in some kind of way. The more that we can make it concrete in your mind, the better. Recall that imagery, whatever color, whatever imagery pops up for your energy expression. Bring it to light when you are exchanging energy in the moments with your partner. Imagining that energy bounce back and forth between the two of you, because it's going to make that exchange feel more palpable, more tangible. We don't have to overcomplicate things. At our core, we and our relationships are nothing more and nothing less than energy being exchanged. When things are going well, energy is in balance. When things aren't going well, energy is out of balance. It really is that simple. I show my clients how to use my flow formula to boost sex, release pain from the past, resentment and wounds, and to intimately bond fast. As you can see, the common way to solve this problem is often through self-help books, years of long traditional therapy, and self-proclaimed gurus who never follow through with actions. But when you follow the steps in my Flow Formula program, you re-energize your body and you synergize your relationships fast and with no more overwhelm, no more doing it completely on your own. Every minute that you're not clear on what to focus on as you vent your frustrations in yet another 1 hour per week therapy session, it's probably costing you time, money, and energy, all of which are finite resources that you have. And that's keeping you from becoming your own intimacy expert and embracing a flow state with your partner. So commit to going on this journey and finally getting the passion, the joy, and the sex in life that you have always wanted and genuinely that you deserve. Click on the link below and let's get you started.